Good morning to everyone. This is the first class of CNS, Cryptography and Network Security. Chapter 1, Information Security. You all know what is information and how will you give the security for that information as a computer science student. Information security requires the recent change terms traditionally provided by the physical and administrative mechanisms. Computer use requires automated tools to protect files and other storage information. Networks and communication links required measures to protect data during the transmission. Whereas coming to the security, there are three types: computer security, network security, internet security. Under computer security, the protection afforded to an automated information system in order to attain the application objectives and the integrity, availability, and confidentiality of particular information. That information maybe includes hardware, software, firmware, data, telecommunication, whatever it may be, that comes under computer security. In network security, measure the protection data during the transmission. Network security, while you are sending data from one place to another place, in that particular time, in that particular duration, the protection measure is called as network security. Internet security means measures to protect data during the transmission. That means if you are sending one file from one user to another user, it takes some time, some sufficient amount of time to transfer the particular data. Depends upon how your file is, how much required space, how much space it required. The file is that is big file or small file. If the file is small enough, then it transfer in less time. If the file is big size, then it transfer in it takes large amount of time to transfer. That measurement of protection is called internet security. Under key security concepts as shown on the screen, we have to maintain confidentiality, integrity, data and services, and availability. These are the key security concepts. And coming to the services, mechanisms, and attacks, it requires the security attacks, security mechanism, and security services for information in three aspects. Consider the reserve order. Sometime enhance the security of data processing system. That means information transfer from one organization to another organization, it needs some security to save from the third party authority. If the information is leaked, your company confidentiality will go. Your company confidentiality will go outside, it spreads. That's why the security is the main reason. Intended to counter security attacks. Make use of one or more security mechanisms to provide the service. Replicate function normally associated with physical documents. And the best examples are dates, signatures, disclosures, distractions, witness, recorded or licensed, witness, and so on. These are the security services. And security mechanism is the design to detect, prevent, or recover from the security attack. No single mechanism that will support all functions required. However, one particular element underlies many of the security mechanisms in cryptography network techniques. Under security attack, any action that comes under the security of information owned by the organization. Information security is how to prevent attacks, failures, how to detect attackers on information based systems, wide range of attacks, focus on generic type of attacks. Under security services, X800, RFSC 2828, X800, and X800 defines the service provided by a protocol layer of communicating open systems. RFC 2828 defines the processing or communication service provided by a system to give a specific kind of protection to the system resources. Under X800, there are 5 major categories: authentication, access control, data confidentiality, data integrity, non-repudiation. Authentication assures that the communicating entity is one client. Access control prevention of unauthorized use of resources. Data confidentiality protection data from unauthorized disclosures. Data integrity assures the data receiving to the send of other authorized entity. Non-replication protects against by one of the parties in a communication. Under security mechanisms, specific security is needed for digital signature and access control, data integrity, traffic padding, routing. You all know routing in CN, computer networks. What is routing? You all know. And exchanging authentication data. How to transfer the mechanism of event detection and security, auto trials, security recovery, security labels. The classification of security attacks are 2 types: passive attackers and active attackers. In passive attackers, obtain message contents and monitor traffic follows. Under active attackers, modification of data streams, reply previous messages, modify message in the transaction, denial of services, entity as some others. Model for network security is designed suitable for algorithm for security transmission and secret information used for the algorithm as keys. It is a developed method to distribute and share the secret information. Specify a protocol enable the principal to use the transition and secret information for the security services. These are the models for network security. In passive attacks, there are some interruptions. You are seeing on the screen. There is Bob and Alice. We are sharing third party, that is upside. Bob sending data to Alice, but someone is copying. That means internet or sending data from internet or any other common facilities. You are sending Bob to Alice. And some other third party are hacking the data. Already you are seeing on the screen. Someone is reading the messages. On the screen, traffic analysis. If the Bob is continuously sending messages or files to Alice, they arise the traffic problem. Then also the hacker may take advantage of that and you miss the data. Next one is fabrication. Next one is interception, and next one is traffic analysis, and next one is interruption under block delivery of messages. If you feel that someone is hacking your messages, then you can block automatically. If you send some messages under attack, then the third party will take the second position from first to second, and from second to third, that means Alice will receive after the third party will read the message. That is called as fabrication message. And reply, capture message from the Bob to Alice, later reply message to Alice. Capturing message from the Bob to Alice, later reply message to Alice. This is called as a reply attack. Next one, modify message. You are seeing on the screen. So once again, I am repeating the today's class. There are two types of security attacks are there, passive and active. You all just now you have seen some of the passive attacks. Transmission, monitoring or obtaining message content, monitor traffic follows. Active attacks, replying previous messages, modifying messages, denial of service, entity as some others of Musk. These are all called as active attacks. You have seen what is security mechanism, what is security service, what is security attack, what is security mechanism. So need semantic way to define requirement. Security attack, security mechanism, security services. These are the three aspects of information security. Something that enhance the security of data processing system and the information transfer of organization is called as security service. Intended to counter security attacks. Make use of one or more security mechanism to provide the service. Replicate functions normally associated with physical documents. And the best example for the functional replication are dates, signatures, tampering, disclosures, recovered or licensed, witnessed, notarized, distractions. And security mechanism, a mechanism that is designed to detect or prevent or recover from the security attack. No single mechanism that will support all the functions required. However, one particular element underlies many of the security mechanism, hence our focus on this area. If the attacker will compose the security of information owned by the organization, the information will provide how to prevent attacks or failures, detect attacks on the information based system, have a wide range of attacks, can focus of generic type of attacks. Cryptography is the study and practice of technique for secure communication in the presence of third parties. It deals with the developing and analyzing the protocol which prevents third parties from retrieving information being shared between two entities. Confidentiality referred to the certain rules and guidelines usually executed under confidentiality agreement. Which ensures that the information is restricted to certain people or places. Data integrity referred to maintain and make sure that the data stays accurate and consistent over its entire life cycle. Authentication is the process of making piece of data being claimed by the user belongs to it. Consider two parties. Already you have seen in the picture. Again I am showing. Consider two parties, Alice and Bob. Now Alice wants to send a message M to Bob over a secure channel. So what happened? Sender will sends message, or sometimes called to plain text, is converted into a form of a key K, form of using a key K. The resultant text obtained is called as, this process is known as encryption. At the time of receival, converts back into the plain text using some key K so that it can read by the receiver. This process is known as decryption. This process is called as decryption. The main principle of confidentiality specifies that only the sender and intended persons should be able to access the content of message. If you take A one side, B another side, and third party C, A to B we are sending a secret message. Unfortunately, the third person will enter to hack that confidentiality message. Authentication mechanism helps to establish proof of identities. The third party position as the user Bob. This type of attack is called as fabrication. Fabrication is the possible in absence of proper authentication mechanism. As on the screen, the content of messages are changed after the sender sends it, but before it reaches the intended recipient, that means third person, will manage to access the data and changes its content and send to change message to Alice, is called as modification. If the principle of non-repudiation may possibilities of denying something having done does not allow the sender of a message to refuse the claim of not sending that message. Then it replies, capture message from the Bob to Alice, later replies message to Alice. The access control principle determines who should be able to access and what to access. Access control specifies and controls who can access the data. Is the Bob or Alice? Then only they can reply the data what they have seen. In the interruption attack, the principle of availability states that resource should be available to authorized parties at all time. Authorized user Bob may not be able to contact a server, may not be able to contact directly to Alice due to intentional actions of unauthorized persons. That unauthorized persons will block the delivered message as you are seeing on the screen. Security attack, any action that can compress the security of information owned by the organization. Security mechanism, a process that is designed to detect or prevent or recover from the security attacks. Security service communicate service that enhance the security of data processing system and the information transfer from organization to another person. The services are intended to counter the security attack and they make use of one or more security mechanisms to provide the services. If the attackers the system security that derives from an intelligent threat, an intelligent act that the attempt is done by the other person, then the security service and volatile the security policy of the system. The security attacks may be two types, that may be passive attack or active attack. A passive attack attempts to learn or make use of information from the system but does not affect system resource. Passive attackers are in the nature of dropping data or monitoring or transmission from one place to another place. The goal of opponent is to obtain information that is being transmitted. Two types of passive attacks are release of message content, traffic analysis. Traffic analysis monitor traffic flow to determine the location and identify the communication host and could observe the frequency and length of the message being exchanged. These attacks are difficult to detect because they are not involve any alternation of the data. In model for network security, using the design suitable algorithm for the security transmission, generate the secret information used by the algorithm, develop methods to distribute and share the secret information, specify a protocol enabling the principals to use the transition and secret information for the security service. Select appropriate gatekeeper function to identify users and implement security control to ensure only the authorized user access the designed information or resources. If virus is a computer program that attacks itself to another genuine program and cause damage to the computer system, to the network, damage computer system or network. A virus is a piece of program code that attacks itself to genuine program code and runs when the person program runs, when the user tries to run the program. Virus can also triggered by the specific events to cause the damage to computer and network systems to the content that it can be repaired by the backup and recovery procedures. If the attackers attack the message, the modification of message is altered or messages are deleted from the recorded area. If the denial of service is prevented from the inherited normal use of management of communication facilities. Because to do required physical protection of all communication facilities and paths at all times, instead of goal is detected and recovered any description or delayed caused by them. Symmetric and public key algorithms are used in that particular situation. Encrypted and decryption methods follow into two categories: symmetric keys and public keys. In symmetric key algorithm, the encryption and decryption keys are both to send and receiver. The encryption key is shared and decryption key is easily calculated from it. In many cases, the encryption and decryption cases are the same. In public key cryptography, encryption key is made public, but it is not to find the description key without the information known to the receiver. This is about symmetric and asymmetric algorithms. We will discuss deeply what is symmetric and what is asymmetric algorithms in tomorrow class. This is only the introduction of the first chapter. Tomorrow onwards we will completely involve in the syllabus. This is only introduction part. Today you have seen some of the topic, what is computer security, what is network security, what is internet security, and a computer security is generic name for the collection of tools designed to protect data, and network security is measure protect data during the transmission, and internet security measures to protect data during the transmission or a collection of interconnected networks. And next we have discussed security attacks, service mechanisms. Security attack, any action that compresses the security of information owned by an organization. A mechanism that is designed to detect, prevent or recover from a security attack is called security mechanism. Security service, a service that enhances the security of data processing system and the information transfers of an organization. The services are intended to counter security attacks, and they make use of one or more security mechanisms to provide the service. And we have in today's class we have discussed all that introduction parts and key terminologies what we are using in future classes. And this is key security concept. The abundant feature of current miner of relatively high output resistance to keep the output currency regular located in the security. And the key security concepts having confidentiality, integrity and availability, non-replication, access control and availability. Confidentiality ensures that the information in a computer system and transmit information are accessible only for the regarding by authorized parties. Examples of confidentiality is printing, displaying. Authentication ensures that the origin of the message or electronic document is correctly identified with an assurance that the identity is not false. Integrity ensures that only authorized parties are able to modify the computer system, assets and transmits information. Modification includes the writing, changing status and deleting, creating, delaying or replying transmitted data. And integrity. Non-replication requires that neither the sender nor the receiver of the message be able to deny the transition. Access control requires that the access to information resource may be controlled or the targeted system. The computer system assets be available to authorized parties when needed. The authentication, data origin and access control is prevented by other unauthorized users of the resource. Under data confidentiality, there are two types: connection confidentiality and connectionless confidentiality. In connection confidentiality, the protection of all user data on a connection. Under connectionless confidentiality, the protection of all user data in a single data block. Under connection, all user data on a connection. Under connectionless, all user data in a single data block. And that's all for today. Tomorrow we will discuss on the topic of syllabus we are having. This is only the introduction part. That's all for today.